Hello everybody. Hello. How are you doing, guys? Okay, let me fix something. Yeah. Well, so how are you doing, guys? I hope you guys are doing so well and having a great time, enjoying yourselves in these hot days. Yeah, this is really scorching and blistering heat these days. That is really not affordable. This is really unbearable. Anyway, this is climate and this is something that we cannot control. No, this is nature actually. Anyway, no, just keep it aside. This is not our topic, so let's move on our topic. So first of all, I would like to discuss about my previous video that I have made. So in that video I had no topic then, that's why I left that video just by introducing myself. Okay, but right here I have topic. I have picked up a topic to discuss on, and the topic is really very so important for all of us. So the topic is about how to learn English. How to learn English, right? We all English learner face this problem, face this, when we start learning English, we all have this kind of questions in our mind, in our head. So this is what today's video is going to be about. How to learn English and where to start learning English actually. So when we go on the way of learning English, we are like so confused, we are like so stuck, that where to start and what should we do in the first. So that is what I'm going to tell you guys. So we all know for learning English, for learning spoken English, we need to study so hard, we need to study. But what to study and where to study? Everything has its criteria, the way of doing. So what should we do in the first time? So I would suggest you remembering the words, like develop your vocabulary first. Grammar is secondary thing. No matter how much grammatical knowledge you have, if you don't know vocabulary, you will not be able to express any single sentence. Yeah, I have experienced this. I will tell you all my story. How did I learn English? How much I struggled and what kind of problems I faced. So everything I'll tell you in further video, but this video is going to be so long, that's why. Okay, so yeah, our topic was remembering vocabulary and developing our vocabulary. So the tips that you can implement in your life is, like, in this modern age, we all have phone, mobile phone. Okay, yeah, most of you guys may not have mobile phone, so there is one other way. I will tell you that later. So we all have mobile phones, right? So in mobile phone you can install an app named Google Translate. Google Translate, right? So what you need to do is, I mean, okay, let me give an instance, like example. So whatever you can see in your surroundings where you live would definitely have a English name. Like I can see a building, I can see like what, a pear. It also has a English name, like darwaja. It also has a English name. So every single thing that we can see will definitely have a name in English. So you can find a lot of vocabulary, a lot of word meanings around you. Just look around you and you can find, I'm telling you, you will definitely find a lot of approximately 3 and 500 word meanings. So start doing this, if you have mobile phone, and just leave that word meanings that you already know. Like only translate in your phone only that word that you don't know. Okay, yeah. Now the second is, second, for those who does not have mobile phone. Okay, so you can keep a diary, a little diary, notebook like this. So whenever you come across with anything like that you don't know about, you can write that thing down in your diary, and you can later translate it. You can also find this in dictionary. So by this way you can develop your vocabulary. Yeah, many things, there are many ways, there are many things that you can apply for remembering and for developing your vocabulary. But this was, my opinion. That's why I said you. Okay, yeah. So this was all about Okay, let's meet in second video, I mean next video. So this video has become about the duration of 5. Okay, then bye bye. Bye bye. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Okay, and lastly, I would like to tell you, this is not scripted speech. It's all that I know. Whatever I know, I'm just speaking, I'm just expressing, I'm just trying to convey my idea to you all. Okay, if you are guys understanding me, if you are like, if you think of me that I'm going in a right way, then you can subscribe me, you can give me a thumbs up as well. Okay, then bye bye.